Hey, what's up, guys? Today, my friend Edris and I went to a bonsai and tea ceremony workshop in Sendai, where we were able to learn how to grow and cultivate our own bonsai trees. If you want to learn this traditional art form, stay tuned. Okay, so first, we are prepping the clay pot by putting in a grate at the bottom to prevent the soil from falling out and to stop bugs from coming into the roots, since this will be an indoor plant. At this point, we are also installing a long cable to secure the tree, which will be shown later. Alright, step 2, we are aerating the roots to promote a speedy recovery since we are changing its pot and promoting healthy growth by getting rid of the top and bottom layers of soil. Step 3 is to add in your new fertilized soil. We were instructed to make a mound with the soil so that the excess water will drain out and not drown the tree. Alright, on to step 4. Now we have made it back to those wires we installed at the beginning. These are used to secure the tree so that it doesn't move or fall over while it's growing. This is important because as it grows, the branches will twist and turn in various directions, so be sure to make this nice and secure. Here, you can see the instructor comes by to check to make sure mine is nice and snug, but not too tight. Also, when cutting off excess wires, pay attention to not almost cut your tree in half like I almost did. Okay, step 5. Add your top layer of soil. Very simple. You can also add mulch or fertilizer at this step, but if your soil is already fertilized, you don't want to overdo it and poison your new bonsai tree. Okay, step 6. We are almost done. You will install a guide wire to position the tree's branches in whatever way you want them to grow. Actually, I thought bonsai trees grew like this naturally, so this was interesting for me to learn. We were given a magazine at the start of the workshop that shows examples of how you can position and cultivate the tree for reference. This is an art form, so get creative, but be gentle because I broke a branch being too rough.
下まで行っていいの？下までグッ、下までグッと入れて、ずっと下までやって、そして今前の針金がこうなってたから。
When you are wrapping the branches, go against the marks that were there. This tree is 2 years old, according to the staff, so we had marks on our trees from previous wires. So wrap the new wires in the opposite direction. But if you're starting from a new tree, you won't have these wires, so make sure you wrap the wire around clockwise, and then as it grows, when you change it to where it's wrapped around counterclockwise.
丈夫、上手。
Step 7, the final step. I had the most trouble with this part, and here's why. We had to trim the branches that were unnecessary for its growth. I wasn't sure what that meant, so I had the instructor come over to help. He trimmed the branches and explained that wherever the tree curves, that is an unnecessary branch as it takes away from the beauty of the tree. I started to get worried because he was trimming so many branches that I thought I wouldn't have any left, but he's the expert and made it look good. Alright, and that's the end of the workshop. Here she just explained the contents of the magazine. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you learned something new, like I did, give this video a thumbs up, and comment what you learned or found interesting. Also, be sure to share this video so more people can learn this traditional art form. And be sure to check out Edris's point of view in the description down below. See you next time.
Photobomb.